Today, I'll be telling you more about the mbira. The mbira that I'm holding is called a Nyunga Nyunga mbira. It is a 15-key mbira which originates from Mozambique in the province of Tete from the Nyungwe people. Originally, it's called Nyungwe Nyungwe. By then, it had 13 keys and now it has 15 keys to suit the Shona mbira music of Zimbabwe. We thank those who did that job, the likes of Jengeta Pera and Dr. Dumisani Maraire, the late. I'll be playing you something beautiful. Let me start with the popular one, the Vamudara song. Enjoy the music. Thank you. Gandhi